Oh hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Mo and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the world's shortest Sephora haul, minus this extra lengthy intro because I just have to talk a lot because I don't know how to shut the hell up and get to the point. This video is about to be hella short because I literally went to Sephora and was so underwhelmed. Honestly, like, this just solidifies the fact that I have to accept this. It's an unfortunate fact, but I am no longer the makeup enthusiast that I once was. And I don't know if that's truly just because, like, I don't really feel the need to wear a lot of different shadows and lashes and freaking cheek colors all the time. Like, I just don't have that in me anymore. Or it could be because there's so many damn products coming out every other day that I'm so overwhelmed that I'm just tuning it off. I'm just like, I don't even, if it's on my timeline on Insta, I scroll right through it. I don't even care. Like, literally, it's like I feel like I am overwhelmed. Oh my god, I don't even know how some of you guys do it. Like, okay, anyway. I'm like about to start going on a tangent. So anyway, this video is supposed to be a Sephora haul, but I also went to Namie's because I got a bigger discount on some of the stuff that I was eyeballing. So I went to Namie's first and then I went to Sephora. And I literally, like, I'm just gonna get into it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this, and let's hurry up because this is about to be a 3-minute haul. You ready? Are you ready? Okay, so like I said, I went to Namie's first and I picked up 3 items. And these 3 items I'm actually excited about because, like, they really did make me like, ooh, this looks cool. This looks like it'd be something worthwhile because it's different. So this is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, which is freaking gorgeous. I seriously always say this when I buy her stuff. Her packaging is like, it's really what gets me. The products are really good too. Like, I'm not even gonna take that away, but the packaging is always what gets me like, oh, I need that. Like, I just want to go at least touch it. And then once you start touching it in the store, then it's like, all right, screw it, just take it home with you, you know? So this is what the palette looks like. It's gorgeous. I think this is like my 3rd or 4th Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and they all, like, they never disappoint at all. So this is what it looks like in the inside. It is so beautiful. I did swatch this one shade because I'm gonna actually do a dedicated video on this palette, but like, oh my god, you guys. So yeah, let me know if you want to actually see a video on this palette, otherwise I will not waste my time. But this is something I was like, okay, I can get behind that because that's cute and that's different. And then she also launched some brushes for the same collection, like the Mercury Retrograde collection, and I just honestly was like, I love the little makeup case. This is so cute. Like, I can use it to travel and like throw toiletries in. And then it comes with 3 brushes and they're all dual-sided. So do I really need new brushes? No, but because they were so cute and I got a discount, I was like, okay, I'll do it. So this is what they look like. They're actually super soft and I feel like they'll work really well with her shadows. So at least they're like not cheap, like flimsy tacky brushes. Like, they actually are really nice, super cute. Bow. So I got that. And then the last thing that I picked up from Namie's was a lip gloss from Limecrime. I love this lip gloss formula. It's called their Wet Cherry lip glosses. I've hauled these before in like different shades, but this one's called Sweet Cherry, and for whatever reason I didn't have it already, so I was like, ooh, need it, especially because of like the purple theme with the palette. This is like perfect for it. And I love this formula because I wear it by itself with like no liner, nothing, and you can still get like a little bit of color, or it wears really nicely on top of lipsticks and other products. So love that. Okay, moving on to Sephora. So I'm about to show you the 4 products that I picked up from Sephora. Okay, the first one, I'll get it out the way because this is the one that I was like on the fence about, just because I'm going to show you in comparison to my other Pat McGrath palette that literally has never seen the light of day since the last time I hauled it and then did a video for you guys. But they're so similar, minus one shade that I was like, do I really need this? And then I was like, oh, but it's Pat. Like, her stuff is so good. So this is what it looks like on the outside. This is the palette. It's called the Mothership Midnight Sun palette. It's freaking gorgeous. If you're not familiar with her stuff, it's extremely expensive, but for like decent reason, you know. Honestly, with the new revelations that have been exposed about the makeup industry and how much money is out there and how much these kind of things cost to produce versus how much we spend to buy them, honey, don't get me started. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like on the inside, and it is It's honestly a really pretty palette. Like, if I didn't compare this to anything else, I would say this is a really nice palette. I love the color scheme. This is gonna work perfect for a deeper skin tone. I have everything that I need to do a neutral eye, and then like a little jazzy eye, like if I want to like add some pops of color or some sheen. But this one individual shadow, you guys, is the reason why I bought the palette. And did I tell you this is a $125 palette? I got 20% off, but anyway, so this is the Pat McGrath eyeshadow that got me sold on this palette. Just this one thing right here. It's actually really nice compared to the one from Huda Beauty also, but like I feel like this one actually is a lot prettier. Like I like the formula of this one a little bit better, but nonetheless it's gorgeous. But now my point was, let me show you in comparison to my other Pat McGrath palette that I have yet to use again. This is the regular Mothership. I want to say it just says Mothership on the back, but I don't know if there's like another name to it, but this is the one that I bought originally, which is gorgeous. Again, I used it when I did a haul. I showed it in a haul video, and then I used it once in a tutorial. Haven't touched it since then. And then this is the new one right here with the purple. What do you see is the major difference between these palettes? Nothing. So I'm just like, honestly, consumerism at its finest. I am part of the problem, but I'm taking a stance, and I'm not going to succumb to this kind of nonsense anymore. I promise you, this is it for me, okay? Anyway, I'm getting my blood pressure all worked up. Other thing that I bought for Sephora is I had to replenish on my favorite face moisturizer, the facial cream from Kiehls. It's called the Ultra Facial Cream. This stuff is so good. It's so lightweight. It feels amazing. Blah, blah, blah. It's like a moisturizer. What else do you want me to say? Okay, and then I had to repurchase my favorite Pat McGrath lip gloss because I literally remember the last haul that I did, actually, which wasn't that long ago now that I think about it. It really wasn't. But the last haul that I did, I had to rebuy this then because I had lost it, which is so unlike me. And then a few weeks ago, I had another wild and crazy night doing too goddamn much, and I lost it again. So I was like, you know what? If I lose it a third time, after this third time I'm buying it, if I lose it again, it's just not meant to be. Like, I'm done with it. But it's honestly so beautiful that that's the reason why I was like, okay, I really need this in my life. So it has this like dual chrome situation happening where it's like a peachy pink gloss, but it also has like this golden shift to it, or like golden reflex. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's really, really pretty, and the formula is bomb. I actually like both of these formulas are really good. They're thick, like, not thick, yeah, it is thick, but it's not like tacky, gross, like, oh my god, so heavy type of thick. It's just like the perfect amount of like opacity, but it's still a lip gloss, so you can still use it on top of other stuff without changing the color too much, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's that. And then the final product, which I actually am excited to try, is a foundation. I needed a new foundation, or at least I thought I did. I feel like I needed a new foundation because all the foundations that I recently reviewed for you guys and like shown on my channel over the last few months, they either break me out, or like I just over time just like didn't love them as much as I thought that I did. Matter of fact, I know I've said this before, but I am going to do a final thoughts, like a final review of the products that I recently reviewed for you guys, because I changed my mind on most of that stuff, to be honest. Like, I don't even reach for it because either it breaks me out, the color is terrible, it oxidizes, or something weird. So like, anyway, I needed a new foundation, and people have raved about this Estee Lauder Double Wear for so long, and I don't know why I don't think I've ever tried it, and if I have, I didn't love it. So either way, I got it again. I got the shade 7C1, which I swatched. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I swatched them. So this is 7C. It actually looks weird now that I'm looking at it here in this lighting. Honestly, like, this is the problem. I feel like things look good in one way, and then the next time I wear them, I'm like, what the hell was I thinking? This looks like crap. But this is 7C1 right here, and then this is 7W1, I think, which is called like something mahogany or spice. But the next shades under this that would have been a little lighter are too light, like noticeably way too light. So I figured if anything, I could use one of these or this one that I bought, and then just use like my concealer and try to brighten the center of the face and see if it works. I don't know, I'm gonna try it. But yeah, that's the only other thing that I picked up in the Sephora haul today. So hopefully something that I showed is interesting enough that you guys want to see me do a video on. I'm totally down. I actually am going to do a dedicated video on this palette from Huda Beauty because it's so freaking unique and gorgeous. And then I'm totally down to do one on the Pat McGrath palette also. If you want to see it, let me know. But yeah, that's it. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.